Hi everyone, Neama Rahmani, president of West Coast Trial Lawyers, and here are the biggest tips you need to know for marketing and building a billion-dollar law firm. Marketing is probably one of the most important things for any professional, but especially a lawyer. Because unless you're doing defense work and you're representing the same company over and over again, oftentimes you're consistently in need of new business. So for us, it's not often that someone is going to get injured or wrongfully terminated or sexually harassed more than once in their life. But this applies to other areas of the law too. Hopefully, you don't know people who are getting divorced, getting arrested, or getting deported more than once. So generally, you're going to be needing new business. Now, obviously, if you do a good job, the best source of business is referrals from current and former clients. But how do you build that referral base in the beginning? You're going to have to market, and you can market to other lawyers who can refer you cases that they don't handle, and they may do so in exchange for a referral fee. State bar rules generally allow for payment of those types of referral fees to lawyers only. You can't pay them to non-lawyers. Now you can try to get business from non-lawyers if there's someone who is in a similar field. Let's say you're a personal injury firm. Maybe a body shop might be able to refer you clients. But again, can't pay them a referral fee. That's unlawful. There's other ways to market that involve spending money. So you can run TV ads, put up billboards, advertise on the radio. That's traditional marketing. Or you can do digital marketing, which of course would include things like Google and Facebook ads and other types of social media ads. Also, I recommend, if it's not a super competitive space and you can get there fast enough, to do SEO, that's search engine optimization. That gets you ranked higher on Google. So obviously, there's a huge advantage to being on the top of page 1 to buried somewhere on page 2 or 3. And the way to do so is to write good content, have great videos, give a good user experience. Make sure your website doesn't have any issues. Those are called on-site issues. And to try to get as many links as you can to your website. So hopefully by writing good content, having a good user experience, other websites will link to you and you'll organically get ranked higher with Google over time. Probably one of the most important things and easiest ways to market is social media. You're watching me here on YouTube. So this is something that's free, doesn't cost any money, and content is king. So if you're gonna shoot a long form video on YouTube, you might wanna cut it up into chunks, put it on YouTube Shorts, put it on Instagram, Twitter, Threads, TikTok, whatever it is. Use that content and try to make a name for yourself. Drive traffic to your social media pages, which will get to your website, and then hopefully those will convert to clients. So in today's age, a lot of people are cutting the cord, they're transitioning away from traditional media. Social media is very important. One of the ways that we stand out at West Coast Trial Lawyers is I do a lot of TV commentary. Even though it's not necessarily something that we do here, or we don't do a whole lot of it, I'll comment on entertainment cases, I'll comment on criminal cases, or even political ones. So I put myself out there, and when clients are choosing a lawyer, especially in a contingency space, they're not really as fee conscious as clients that would be paying up front. So what does that mean? Let's say you're hiring a criminal defense attorney. Maybe money's an issue. Maybe you can't afford a $100,000 retainer. Maybe you have to hire a lawyer that's charging a $10,000 retainer. But in the contingency fee space, when a lot of lawyers are charging the same 33 or 40% percentage, you don't have clients shopping for fees as much as you do them wanting to hire who they think is the best and the brightest lawyer. So by me doing a lot of news, that's free publicity and that's free marketing that our clients can see and say, hey, this is something that distinguishes Neama Rahmani and West Coast Trial Lawyers from the other firms out there. So whatever you're doing, whether it's being a YouTuber on TikTok, getting out there, meeting people at local businesses or in your community, make sure that marketing is a key component of your law firm, because you can be the greatest lawyer in the world, but if you don't have clients, you're going to be out of business. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you want more tips or questions, make sure to comment below and like, follow, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications.